is the first case and successfully conducted. I would like to congratulate the department and the team, this orthopedic department and AIMS for conducting successfully this knee replacement with the technology, robotic technology. And this is a very useful because robot is going to tell the surgeon, to guide the surgeon in a better way, very accurate way, so that the operation should be very almost successful, 100% successful. So this is a very important tool, and surgeons are very getting help. We are going to use this robotic technology in the other department, various operations and all. So this is first time that we have used this knee replacement, because the burden of the knee replacement, arthritis of the knee joints are very huge, and almost 150 people are going knee replacement in our institute monthly. So this will be very useful for our institute and for the patient.